And welcome everybody. Gain stock on 28 November. Let's start step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe. We are going to have this price on 1 week update. If we change it one day, okay, it's going to be the thing that we notice. And if we went for 1 week, it is going to be about the price that we notice also. And this is going to be what we think about absolutely. So this circle and this circle, okay, about the gain stock on 28 November. And if we wanted to see that in referring stock about the 0 1 Fibonacci level, it's going to be about 5 to 10. It's going to be 5 USD difference on 1 week. If we made some extension, it's going to be give us the values that moves on this 1 week update would be between this level 1 week 1 Fibonacci and 0.786 Fibonacci, this movement.